Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple Shopify stores under one account. So if you have only one account and you want to create multiple Shopify stores, this video is for you. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, as you can see here, guys, this is my, I'm just going to, I'm going to log in into my Shopify right now. And as you can see, this is my Shopify store. Now, what if I want to have multiple Shopify stores? Now, in the top, guys, as you can see in the top right, you can see my store or the store name that you have named, that you use to name your store. Now, if you click on my store in the top right and you click on all my stores here, as you can see, it will take you to this page. And here, as you can see, currently I only have one store, which is this one. Now, what if I want to create another one and another one and another one? You just need to click on create store here, and then you want to name the store. For example, it says let's get started, which is the which of these best describes you. For example, I'm just starting, click next. All these things you can also skip all these options that you have to select. You don't really need to select these options, okay? You just need to click on skip all, and here you want to click on next, and then you want to select the account. As you can see, it says here building your store, and you just need to wait a few seconds and the store is going to be ready. And then I'm going to show you how you can switch between your stores. Okay, now in the top you can click on my store, and there you will find the second store that you have created. Now this is my first store and this is my second store. Now if I click on my second store, it will take me directly to my second store. Now if you are wondering if you have to pay subscription or if you have to select a plan for each store, yes, each store you have to select a different plan, okay? Because probably you want to have, for example, a general store and one product store. All the stores that you are going to create, you have to pay subscription or the fee every month in order for the store to keep running. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I would highly appreciate, guys, if you can drop a like I said. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day.